Hello everyone, I'm Scott and I'm from Aerial Edge, which is Glasgow's very own circus school. And I've been a trapeze artist and acrobat for many, many years. And I've actually used engineering every single day. It's been really important to help me figure out how to do all sorts of amazing tricks, how to invent new ones that no one else has done, and how to teach people just like you how to do all sorts of amazing things. So for the next few weeks, we're going to be doing a whole bunch of things. So juggling, you'll all be able to juggle very soon. Not only that, but you'll be juggling with other people. And we're actually going to use algorithms to create really interesting patterns that we're going to film. An algorithm is really just a set of basic rules that you follow over and over, a bit like a recipe. But you'll see that how some very simple little changes can create some really complex patterns that look amazing. So we're also going to look at gyroscopes, which are really important in things like satellites. They create stability so you can make sure that your satellite stays in one position, or you can use them to move it around in space as well. In fact, did you know that Glasgow produces more satellites than any other city in Europe? So we're going to be using that same principle to see how spinning plates work and also how we can do amazing tricks with Diablos too. And we'll also look at things like how to maintain balance using levers, center of mass, figuring out where gravity is acting, where to apply all these forces. And you'll be doing all of that on a unicycle to be able to ride it around all over the place. So lots to pack in the next few weeks. You've got a big job ahead of you, but it's going to be lots and lots of fun. So we're looking forward to starting with you very, very soon.